In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Rocketmoney 2025, step by step. Rocketmoney is a personal finance app that helps you see all your money in one place, track spending, build budgets, and stay on top of bills. I'll guide you through downloading the app, creating your account, securely linking your banks and cards, turning on the core features, and optionally setting savings goals and tracking your net worth. Start by downloading Rocketmoney from your device's app store or visiting the web app. Open it and create your account with a strong, unique password. If the app offers two-factor authentication, go ahead and enable it for an extra layer of security. You may be asked to confirm your email and choose your region or currency. Complete those prompts so your dashboard reflects accurate local settings. Next, link your financial accounts. From the Home or Accounts section, choose the option to link a bank, card, or institution, then search and select your provider. You'll be directed to a secure login interface where you sign in with your banking credentials. This window is designed for bank-grade authentication, and your credentials are handled there, not stored in the app's general interface. Once you authenticate, you may see multiple accounts under the same institution. Select the specific ones you want to connect, such as a checking account or a particular credit card you plan to track. Now give the app time to synchronize. The first import can take a while, as transactions and balances are pulled in, sometimes up to 24 to 48 hours, depending on the institution. That's normal. You can continue exploring the app while it works in the background. After syncing, you'll see your linked accounts listed, including any credit cards you selected, and your recent transactions will begin to populate. With your data flowing in, set up the core features. Review and categorize transactions so spending reports are accurate. Create monthly budgets for categories like groceries or transportation, and turn on notifications for low balances, large transactions, or upcoming bills. If the app highlights recurring charges, use that view to spot subscriptions and decide which ones you want to keep or cancel. Small tweaks here dramatically improve the clarity of your dashboard. If you want to go further, set savings goals and track your net worth. Define a target amount and timeline for each goal, and assign a linked account to fund it. For net worth, make sure your assets and liabilities are connected so the app can chart your progress. If you track any assets manually, update those balances periodically for the most accurate picture. That's the complete setup. Once your accounts are linked, synced, and your preferences are in place, Rocketmoney will handle the heavy lifting and keep you informed automatically.